I'm Jan from Garmin, and today we're talking about Garmin Pilot. I'm going to demonstrate the system for you. This is the home menu that is available from everywhere in the application. We're going to go here into Active Flight Plan, and we're going to create a route to go from Oshkosh, Wisconsin, where we are. We're going to go through Ripon and through Eau Claire, back to my home in Minneapolis. As you can see, I've created my route here. Someone has created a user waypoint, and I'm going to delete that. With Garmin Pilot, one of your first choices is your base map layer. You can choose from our dynamic maps, or you can choose from your standard digitized sectionals, IFR high and low charts. I want to demonstrate a little bit for you the power of our dynamic maps. Dynamic maps are created on the fly, so as you're zooming in, your resolution is staying consistent, and I can zoom down directly to the airport. One of the main benefits of dynamic maps is that when you're in track-up mode, all of your labels are oriented for your direction of flight. So I'm going to use a dynamic map here. This button will center on our route. This button centers on my location, which of course is here at Oshkosh. I'm going to center on my route, and I'm going to overlay weather. I can overlay radar and lightning, TFRs, airmets and sigmets, and even fuel prices if I wanted to, all at one time. I can animate the radar. It doesn't look like I have a lot in the area right now. And for the purposes of this, I'm going to turn off the fuel prices just so I have a little less clutter on the app. Back here into a screen where my route is. I'm going to go into split screen, and I'm going to bring up my weather widgets. Widgets are the way in which we display text weather product. I have a METAR and a TAF, winds aloft and a PIREP, and as you see, I can add new widgets very simply in this manner. The power in these widgets is in the nav track, an exclusive part of the Garmin Pilot application. So I have my route from Oshkosh to my home at Flying Cloud. As I move along the route, you're going to see that I'm pulling the current METARs and TAFs through the reporting locations that are along my route. This diamond here corresponds with the diamond here, so that you can see exactly where this position is along your route. The benefit here is for you to be able to see in a pre-flight planning mode, do I have IFR flying conditions? Do I need to graphically edit my route? Do I have a weather condition that might prevent me from taking this route? Another unique feature of the Garmin Pilot app is our radio menu. The radio menu is just a simple pop-up. You can move around your map and get navigation data. So here I can see the this particular VOR, and I can understand the frequency of it. I can also see the airspace. And I can pull up the current METAR for an airport that is close by. Again, just an easy way to be able to then decide, perhaps I would like to graphically edit my route, which I just did here. And I can pull up the La Crosse Airport and add that into my route. When you create a route within Garmin Pilot, we automatically create a binder for you. And that binder is going to have all the charts for your departure and your destination airport. I can even sort them based upon the type of chart that I'm interested in viewing. All of your airport information is here. When you're ready to file your flight plan, you can bring it in to file and brief, review a summary, get your nav log, get your DUATS weather briefing, and file. When you get in the air, Go into split screen mode. Bring up your Garmin panel, your charts, and your active nav log. Safe Taxi would be here as well in a split screen mode. In addition, with the GDL39, which is Garmin's ADS-B receiver, you can get traffic information in the air. So that's kind of a quick, brief summary of the features of the Garmin Pilot app from here at Oshkosh for Tom's Aviation.